In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pair Razer Kyra to PC, Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Razer Kyra has various different models. Some of these models are going to be compatible with PC and PlayStation, while another specific one is going to be aimed at Xbox consoles. Both of the models will work for PC, so if you are trying to connect to a PC, it doesn't matter which one you have. But if you are trying to connect to a console, either Xbox or PlayStation, you need to make sure that you purchase the correct model. Usually, you can tell by the colors of the headset. The PlayStation model should have a white and blue finish, while the Xbox one will have green and black. So just check the headset. First, let's talk about connecting the PC or PlayStation version. For this, you will have to first charge the Razer headset, so you can plug it into any USB port using the provided USB cable to charge it. Once it is successfully charged, you will use the dongle to wirelessly connect it. So plug the dongle into any USB port of your PC or PlayStation console. This can be a USB-A port by using the provided adapter like this. So you plug the dongle into the adapter and then the adapter with the dongle into the port, or you can plug it directly into a USB-C port. It doesn't matter. And this will work for any of these consoles. Once it is done, power on the headset and it should automatically pair itself to the dongle. Press and hold the button down for a few seconds if it doesn't power on right away. Now, if you have the version that is compatible with Xbox consoles, the process is roughly the same. So first you must charge it, so you plug it into any suitable power source using the USB cable. Once it is successfully charged, then you press the connect button on the Xbox console. So press this connect button that has some waves, either connect or synchronize, whatever it is called. And once you press that button on the console, press the power button on the headset. So this one doesn't include a dongle. You will connect them together by using the pairing option on the console and the headset. And once it is done, they will be usable together wirelessly. And with all of that said, before I end the video, guys, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problem, including this video. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.